Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Abashir Altaf, and the topic of today's video is what it means by colonialist ideology. Colonialist ideology, what it means by colonialist ideology, I'm going to define it. It refers the colonialist ideology. This is a post-colonial term which referred to as a colonialist discourse. It is a colonialist discourse to mark its relationship to the language in which colonialist thinking was expressed. It was based on the colonizers' assumption of their own superiority, which they contrasted with the alleged inferiority of native or indigenous peoples, the original inhabitants of the lands they invaded. The colonizers believed that only their own Anglo-European culture was civilized, sophisticated, or as post-colonial critics put it, metropolitan. Their culture is metropolitan. Therefore, native peoples are defined as savage, backward, and undeveloped because their technology was highly advanced. The colonizer believed that their whole culture was more highly advanced, and they ignored or swept aside the religions, customs, and the codes of the behavior of the peoples they subjugated. So the colonizers saw themselves at the center of the world. The colonized were at the margin. Thank you very much.